Alright guys, I just want to give you this little heads up. Heads up is this 12-ton hydraulic press from Harbor Freight. You don't really need that much to press these springs down. These springs in the input shaft, I tried pressing that down and I made a jig like this. This jig was on top of there, and when it got to pressing, it pressed in so much that it actually bent the shit and deformed the top of this, and I could not get this low enough to get the retainer clip off. So what I finally wound up doing is I took a little hook driver, got up under the clip, and then I took a longer screwdriver like yay. I got this longer screwdriver under the clip and I started moving it around the retainer clip till it popped up, and that's how I got it off after damaging that to all hell and back. And to make matters worse, my jig, I found out it's a little short on one side compared to the other, and that may have caused more pressure on one side than the other, which caused a deformity on the input spring assembly. So what I did to make matters worse is I went and I got one ordered, and I ordered the wrong one. I ordered the reverse drum, which is this one that I already have. I ordered the reverse drum clutch, so now this is on standby until I get the right spring assembly for the input. So what I wanted to do is show you guys, we've got 3 different springs here. The smallest one, that is the input assembly. This one here that alright, that's the small one. The small one has no bottom, and it goes into the input. That one. This one is the reverse drum. Okay, it is concaved in and bigger than the input, and it goes in the reverse drum. This one that goes outwards, okay, it is practically the same size as that, but the difference is this one that is not the reverse drum, this one looks like a spaceship. This one does not have that. So what had happened is I wound up making this block of 2x4. I made this 2x4 block, put it in the press, pressed it down, held it down as far as I could, and then used the screwdriver that I described earlier. So the lesson to learn here is you got 3 different spring assemblies. The one on the left is the reverse drum, or the input. This is the, let me redo this. Alright, this one is the input, the smallest one. This one goes in your reverse drum. This one goes in your reverse drum. I said that wrong. This does not go in your reverse drum. This one does. So the flat one goes in the reverse piston, which goes all the way in the bottom of your transmission case. Okay, this one goes with this assembly over here, which goes with that. Okay, which I'm pretty sure goes right there. Okay, so that's that. And this one is the smallest one is the reverse, it's the input drum. I keep saying reverse. Alright. So beware when you're pressing. Do not use a 12-ton press if you have to. The screw type jigs that you see made, that's the best thing to use. I learned my lesson the hard way, so use the jigs like that. And if you're going to make them, if not, just buy one on Amazon, and you know that one will fit that one too. Alright, I hope this helps, and hope y'all don't screw up your stuff like I did. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Thanks.